Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Market News and Views by InTheMoneyStocks. Today is September 16, 2015. Thank you all for tuning in. What you're going to see here is that the S&P 500 E-mini futures are trading lower by 1 point. Right now, they're currently at 1978 3/4 per contract. The futures were a little bit higher before the FedEx earnings came out, and FedEx earnings were a little bit of a disappointment, and the market has retreated a bit, but nonetheless, markets are still holding steady. Now, today is the start of the all-important two-day FOMC meeting, so the Federal Reserve will get together for 2 days. Then tomorrow afternoon, they will make their policy statement, so traders should be on guard. This coming Friday is also options expiration, so you'll get a lot of whipsaw in individual stock names, so be prepared for that as well. All right, let's take a look at a few stocks in the news today. One is FedEx, which we mentioned, and what you're going to see here is that the stock is trading lower this morning by about 4 points at the moment. Stock closed at $154, right now trading at $150. I will have gap levels for FedEx in the chat room, so they will be posted up at 9 o'clock in the morning. We will have gap levels for FedEx this morning. They will be posted up in the chat room. Right now the stock is down about 4 points. It was much lower, has rebounded a little bit. Let's take a look at UPS, which is going to trade down in sympathy. Yesterday UPS had a big roaring and soaring day to the upside. Today it's given a point or so back, and right now it's trading at $99. So both of these stocks will be in play today. Keep on your radar FedEx and UPS. UPS trading down in sympathy to the FedEx earnings results. All right, let's take a look at Hewlett-Packard. Big news out of there. They're going to slash 30,000 jobs off their spin-off unit. Right now the stock is reacting positive, trading at $27.60, closed at $27.11. This could be on our radar once the opening bell rings. Now, right now we're not going to do a lot with it, so we'll just take it slow and steady. And once again, come over, take a 7-day free trial to our intraday stock chat. You'll see everything that we're doing. We're having a banner month, a banner year. This has just been an incredible trading environment and what we like to call a trader's paradise. All right, let's take a look at Msft, which is Microsoft. It looks like they raised their dividend. Stock closed at $43.98, now trading at $44.15. Not much action there, but we will be watching that stock intraday today. Let's take a look at Budweiser, Bud InBev, and you're going to see that this stock is trading at $114.70. It looks like they're going to make a bid for Miller. I believe that symbol is SBMRY, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, there you could go. You can see it here. But again, looks like Budweiser is making a bid for them, so we'll have to watch that. Also, keep on board TAP, which is Molson Coors. That stock is also trading higher. It closed at $72, now trading at $81 on takeover speculation. So, good little pop there. This is overbought though, Coors, or Molson Coors, which is TAP is the ticker symbol. This is very overbought at these levels. So either way, be a little bit careful there. Would not be chasing this one on the long side at the moment. Let's take a look at CBRL, which is Cracker Barrel. Looks like they had earnings. Not much volume here. Looks like the stock right now is trading at $146. The only level, there actually is some support at $146 here, but the only level that really interests me today for Cracker Barrel would be $139.50. So keep that on the radar, $139.50, $139.55, right around that level. I do get interested in Cracker Barrel. It is a light volume name, meaning it rarely trades 1 million shares a day. On average, probably trades around 250 to 300,000 a day. So this is a stock that can move a little bit aggressive. But again, you get down to $139.50. I kind of like that level. I've isolated that level. We'll see if it does get there. That could be a play today if you are an aggressive trader. Let's take a look at ASNA, which is Ascena. And what you're going to see here is they had earnings as well. Stock right now is trading at $11 and $12.05 now. So again, big spike after the earnings announcement, then came back in, settling out around $12.05. There's not a lot to do here, but this is one we may look at intraday today if it does present itself. Let's take a look at Sandisk. I believe this was an upgrade or a downgrade by Goldman Sachs. So the stock is trading down around $54.50. I just don't see much of a play on Sandisk one way or the other. I don't really see it even going down that much. So again, keep the 52.88 level. There could be a scalp play there for Sandisk. But we'll keep that on the radar, and that's something we will look at once the opening bell rings. But again, come over, take a 7-day free trial to our intraday stock chat. You'll see everything that we're doing there. You can trade right alongside of us. And once again, we're having a stellar year, and we're going to look to keep that going today. All right, let's turn our attention now to gold. Gold is getting a pop today. Gold futures are up $10. So GLD is right now trading at 106.66. Gold futures themselves are trading up at $1,112 an ounce. That's a pretty good move for gold. And that even comes with the dollar ticking up a little bit. You can look at my left side of my screen as a dollar. Here's the GLD. So you can even see the dollar is up today and gold is catching a bid. So again, gold will be a mover with the Federal Reserve in action. So just be aware of that. And again, nice little pop in the GLD this morning. Let's take a look at crude oil. Crude oil is popping as well. That's up $1.13 to $45.72 a barrel. If you take a look at the USO, you're getting a little bit of a pop there as well. USO now trading at $14.90. Now, the reason I think we're getting a pop in gold and oil is simply because you're getting more and more people favoring the Federal Reserve not raising rates. So again, it wouldn't be a big rate increase anyway. They're going to come out with that statement tomorrow, policy statement. But either way, people are now thinking, oh, the Fed's not going to raise rates. Gold is going to go up. Oil is going to go up. And that's the anticipation. So, again, keep it on the radar. I have no idea what the Fed's going to do. I don't think anybody does. I'm sure there's somebody out there that might have some insight. But, again, will they raise, a small amount, or will they just leave things alone? And that's the million-dollar question that everybody wants to know. But either way, we'll see how the market reacts once it's all said and done. All right, everybody, I'm going to leave it here short and sweet. Come on over, take that 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat. You can watch our screens. You can see everything we're doing, and you can trade right along with us. With that being said, everybody, have a great day, and we will see you on the charts.